क्या हो गया? तुम्हारी आवाज नहीं आ रही।
सर कर दिया, ब्रॉडकास्ट कर दिया।
हाँ अच्छा।
Welcome friends. We're going to start just in a couple of minutes. We are waiting for Mr. Anil Ora to join in. He is getting some problem with the audio, so just bear with us for 5 more minutes. Sir. Very good
अनिल
morning.
जी अपना वो करो। We can't see you, Anil ji. Can you hear us?
Very good morning to all of you, dear friends. Welcome, Mr. Das, Abhiraj, Ambalika, Amit ji, Amit Soy, Amit Gupta, Anil Rajput ji, Arun Kumar Bhatt, Ashish, Ashraf, Mr. C. Mani, Dilip ji, welcome. Dharmesh Advani, Gayatri, Gurji Chhabra ji, welcome sir. Gurpreet Dugal ji, Harish Wala, Hira Nand ji, IVR Rao, Rao sir, welcome. Jantu Roy, Joyce, Kamal Saragvi, Ellen Gaur sahab, welcome. Madhu Pulpati, Manoj Vashni ji, welcome. Mari ji, welcome. Mohan Verma ji, Mr. Awad, Muzamin Khan ji, Pooja Kakkar ji, welcome. Raja Bala, Rajat Gugnani, Rajesh Arya ji, welcome. Ranjan Arya, Romit Rahan ji, welcome. Ruga Ram, Sachin Satnam, Sandeep Bafna, Sanjeev ji, SD Khanna ji, welcome sir. Shakti Holidays, Surinder Singh Jairal, Tripati Banerjee, Venkateshan ji, Vikas Sudha ji, welcome. Vineet Kumar, Vinita Chawla ji, Yogita Vadkar ji, welcome dear friends. Welcome to today's webinar on IITF. Mr. Ora has joined us, but he is getting some problem with the connection of his mic. We are not able to hear him. He's working on it, so bear with us. As soon as we get it, we will start as soon as possible. Just maybe a couple of more minutes. He's just getting this glitch fix on.
बात कर speak नहीं. What problem is with you?
Mr. Ora is joining us, friends. As usual, we'll be starting with a small introduction, and I am sure we all must know Mr. Anil Ora. He is Regional Director North in Ministry of Tourism. Very polite man and a very learned man. Been serving with the ministry for a long time, and he has a vast knowledge about all the procedure what ministry is following as on date. So feel free to ask any question if you have. But yes, as usual, we have got question and answer round, question and answer tab at the bottom of it, and a chat option also. So if you have any question in mind, please feel free to put your questions in the chat box, or maybe in Q&A column at the bottom of your screen. I can see some comments here. Good morning, Anil Rajput ji. Good morning, Dilip ji. Many sir, good morning. I can see and listen to you, but not getting the mic icon on my screen. Anil Rajput ji, पर देख लीजिए sir. Yeah, Anil ji, can you listen to us? If the video is not working, can we start the session in anyways? Thank you, Gaur Saab. It is just जैसे last time मैंने promise किया था आपसे कि whenever we will meet next, probably कोई different होगा तो इसलिए share हो गई. Anil ji, Mohan ji, I can see you have raised hands, but sir, we'll take the questions at the end of it. So, be with us.
Just to appraise all my friends that, you know, what is IITF? This is an incredible India, the tourist facilitator program, where it's very easy to, log in and introduced by, the former secretary, Mrs. Rashmi Verma, 2 years back. And it is good for all of the tour operators because, under this program, under this scheme, you can learn and you can become a tourist facilitator yourself. Yourself and your, the frontline staff, everybody can do, and they can really serve to the, the tourist anywhere in India. So there's a program, and there is no such kind of a scheme where exactly you have to complete your program in a stipulated time. You can do this program anytime, anywhere, and that's the best part of this program scheme. A lot of things and about the incredible India, and you can really teach also your, the frontline staff and the other people also that how it can be then better the attractions in India. So Mr. Anil Ora is here. We can see him on the video. Good morning. And what are the benefits and why you should do that? That exactly when it was started. I think if I'm not wrong, during this Mrs. Verma's tenure, we have started 2 years back. Yeah,
Yes.
correct.
Yes.
And a lot of people, they have gained it and they have benefited out of this program, and they have got the certification from the Ministry of Tourism. That is the best part. I mean, if you're recognized by the Ministry of Tourism under the certification, so nobody can object you that you are a not approved, facilitator or the guide or something like that. That's the best part. So please go ahead, Mr. Ora, and we should start it, I think.
Okay.
I think your voice is not clear.
Yes. Good morning and welcome to everyone on this small webinar. We targeted to reach to our. Now it's fine. Hello.
Yeah.
It's fine now.
Yes, it is fine now. Yeah. Yes, now it's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Little better. Yeah.
So, Ministry of Tourism has started this IITF course in September 2019 when 2018 when Mrs. Rashmi Verma got retired. Anyway, the idea of this certification program is to reach to all across country to provide the people who are almost not in our network as a tourist partner. Tourism, we have a lot of partners, but this certification will allow the youth which are class 2 pass and having some knowledge of the places. So then government of India formulated this online program. It doesn't need a classroom. It is online program. I will show you a small presentation as well as you can get it all details on the website, which is iitf.gov.in. So and one of the major thought on this program is that we will have these certified people form. So what happens, suppose I'm not telling the big cities, we want to reach in the village or in remote areas. Suppose somebody is looking for sitting in Delhi and want to go to Mizoram, and the village may be like or Jatinga. Assam, there is a tourist place called Jatinga, where the birds comes in a particular season in the night, and they hit the mountain and they die. So it is a unique place. So now thing is, sitting here in Delhi or here in Madras or in New York, people may have the details in the Wikipedia or website. Here, as my guide or a small accompanied. So this facilitator, the platform, if anybody want to have this Jatinga's information and any guide, so he can easily find out in Jatinga there are 5 people or 4 people who got the Ministry of Tourism facilitator certificate. So on that platform, you can interact with the guy who is in Jatinga, or who is in Leh, or who is in remote village of Bengal. So you can have that, and when you reach there, you can have this boy as your local guide, or you can say facilitator. Reason is, we have the other guide, which is like RLG. They are confined maximum to the cities. When you go out of the cities, suppose from here, I want to go to like any Spiti Valley for a trekking. Now there is no guide RLG. We know there are local people who will help, but we want to have that local people into our network, so that prior to going to Spiti or Lahul or Khardungla, we know there is a boy who has got this course done through Ministry of Tourism, whose police verification has been done, who is a proper Indian citizen, and of course he will have the basic knowledge of course he's a local boy, he knows the area better than anybody else. So he will reach you, or he will come to your bus stand, or he will come to a particular point and take idea. Now I will just show you, one second. That's the idea, and it's only 2,000 rupees for the course. And once you registered, it is not a time bond. It's like you can register, and there is six month and the 12 month exams will happen in July as well as in December. So suppose you miss in July, you can have in the next time in December, and it is online. And later on, once the course is complete, then the boys and girls will be given practical training in a travel trade bureau, travel trade office, like travel trade, travel agent or tour operator or airlines, wherever possible nearest to his house. So he will have a first-hand knowledge, at least, and the tour operator or the travel agent, they will see the boy. So he will have a 7 days interaction with the office work sort of things. So he knows that how the tourism works. And one more thing, our idea also for this, that Dekho Apna Desh, what Government of India is telling. So through this IITFC, the boys and girls, once we have network with them, they will also have this online promotion of their places. Suppose small remote village which we don't know, and nowadays, as you know, that we will have the driving holidays or weekend holidays, because we are not going to travel at a large at this moment in train or in flight. So from home, like 3 hours drive or 4 hours drive. So these local boys who will who will have this certification, they will definitely promote their own area. So that way, like, we can explore the new areas of travel interest. And as all our domestic tour operator members are here, and some of them may not be joining, but so that way, and so so that's the thing. And I'm going to show you some slides. It's on. Chetan, can you allow me to present?
Yes, sir. Please, sir. Please go ahead. You know how to share the screen, right?
Yeah, here's share screen. इसको इस कैमरा को
just to brief Abhiraj ji is saying, Anil sir, can you give presentation in Hindi? So just to update Abhiraj ji, we have
अच्छा ठीक है
Anil ji,
so
we have people, no Anil ji, we have people from all over India, and we have people from South as well, so they might not be able to understand Hindi well, so bear with us, Mr. Abhiraj. Anil ji will do a bit of Hindi and English.
ठीक है मैं okay ठीक है so Hindi English. Chetan, thank you very much. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Can you, is it visible?
Visible, yes sir, clear.
Okay, so here this is the first screen. The second screen, what we are telling, is that we need to bring learning to the people, not the people to the learning. So sitting at home, you can learn. You don't need to go to the college, or don't need to go to the institute, which is told by a philosopher. So here, as we all know, like, we have the talent, we have the tradition, and tourism is in between, which gives the flow in the trade as well as development of technology. And as we all know, we don't need to bolne ka zarurat nahi hai. The tourism is one of the industry which has been focused by the government since long, but still we are fighting with some status, like full status of industry or full incentives what industry gets. Here we all know, हम लोग सबको पता है tourism क्या करते हैं, employment generation, environment, everything. So I don't need to go in large scale. So here are the initiative of Ministry of Tourism. Particularly in this factor, the local people who are not exposed to the many of the developed schemes and all. So Ministry of Tourism thought, okay, let's do this. And as you know, tourism is confined maximum in the remote and not in the cities, in the remote areas, maximum. You can say Jaipur or Jaisalmer, not the city, but the Sam Dune or the Kheri dunes. So local business, so local people get employment, and as well as the local boys can be a tourist facilitator to help the tourists. So we have these 3 courses: basic, basic, advanced, and linguistic. Basic is just basic about the tourism ABC. Then advanced, suppose somebody wants to have a course on, like, expert on trekking, so he will have the expertise on the trekking and the precaution he or she has to take, as well as that life saving, some first aid, same as, like, suppose somebody wants to have a tourist facilitator for rafting, so he will have the rafting training, same as paragliding or other adventure sports, or even the bird safari, or like, something else, so that a specific field somebody can choose. So he will have in his biodata that he is the ornithologist. He knows the birds. He can tell the bird's name by hearing the creeping of the bird. And finally, it's the linguistics. Suppose somebody wants to enhance his knowledge on foreign languages, Chinese, Japanese, or German. So he will go through, so that these boys and girls will have this courses, and sitting at home, of course, as I told you. And that other major aims for this program is, again, again, the skill development, as we know, our education has our vocational trainings and vocational educations are not there. So this way, after so here is the basic course fees. I'm just going through quickly. 18 years old, online field training, then advanced course, heritage, adventure, rafting, whatever, and then fresher course. Suppose somebody wants to, after doing basic, after some time he wants to come and join in other refresher course, he or she can join. And linguistic, as I told you already. This is again provide different courses online, content interaction, and this is all available online so far under the tourism.gov.in. This is the basic course content modules aimed to training in the facilitator in knowledge, skill, attitude domains, and also the statewide. Suppose I want to have a facilitator, I will do only for Delhi or only for Haryana or only for Madhya Pradesh. So he will develop his skill to have the greater knowledge of Madhya Pradesh in terms of culture, history, tourist places, art, people. So that way, if somebody wants to come to a particular, the tribal areas in Bastar or in Odisha, so that local boys, he will have all this local information, and he will be expert in state specific facilitator. Then again, awareness, precautions, practitioners about new trends, skill and tourism industry, because it is again, what is happening in tourism, latest technology, information technologies of boys and girls will come to know the latest trend of the tourism, and they will enhance their knowledge. As I go through, this is stage wise. So this is the registration only online, and then you have the general others. And only thing I'm telling you, एक चीज है, जैसे गवर्नमेंट ने किया है, जो बैकवर्ड क्लास एंड SC/ST है, उनके लिए फीस माफ कर दिया है, बिकॉज नो एनरोलमेंट फीस. Study online at your pace, then take assessment access online again, and we will have this assessment test in almost every district, in the district center, in DM office or district tourism office of the state government. We will have this assessment center, so boy has to go to that center and give the exam. And this is again, I told you, undergo field training. Field training will definitely be within the industry area. Industry, as I told you, that they will be in travel agent or tour operator or airlines or tourist offices somewhere. They will, and after crossing that, they will have this certification program. So now he or she is become the tourist facilitator. And again, this is like a scope of work for the training purposes, the trainers. IRT basics course, as a internal assessment is there. Then unit assessment questions. This is all logistic in the education system. Like you can have this one online. Still is all presentation, everything is there on that website. And as well as Chetan, I have developed this book. Maybe I can send you a few copies to your office, so that you can keep and you can circulate this one. It has all these details.
Sure.
All these details.
How many pages? How many pages this has, Anil? How many pages this has?
This is about this is A5 about 16 pages.
Okay, we can also scan it and put in a website so that people can access to it.
Scan it and put it.
Okay.
So then you see, as I told you, the IITTM will give them the 7 days training also, behavioral training, and and then again internship, as I told you.
Yeah.
After completion of the formalities, qualifying exam, all police verification, candidate would be awarded. There are some guides and some lapkas are here and there. To restrict that one, government thought, let's put all these people under this, so that they are little countable. They can be caught, if they are something, they do something wrong. This is the modules. There are 7 modules, 6 module on tourism, 7 module on state and tourism, like state, and then 20 units here, and here 3 units for each state. Suppose somebody wants to have the knowledge of South India only, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Kerala. So that there will be like, state-wise course also. This is no limit. There is no limit, you can say.
Okay.
Again, I'm telling you this. हम लोग सब पता है role of tourist facilitator क्या होता है. Know about Indian history, the history part 1, 2, culture, society, natural beauty. Because the local boy, like local boy, who he knows the area, he knows the nitty-gritty of the people there, where to eat, where not to eat.
Yeah.
And again, this is all technology term. Building rapport, art of communication.
Yeah.
Then module 5, tourist facilitator pre-tour preparation, tourist facilitator process, tourist facilitator scenarios. Managing tour dynamics, that's all theoretical, all these things. The total states, as we know, will be examined by 3 main modules, having 30 units, in total 96 units.
Yeah.
And as you know, these are the destination module. Government of India, this what called states we are going to focus, as well as refresher course. Once you done that one, the next time is refresher course will come up. Refresher course again, updation of your knowledge, upgrade yourself skill, and there are new theme or new niche product may come up, so that you can enhance your knowledge and all these things. And again, contemporary tourism, as you know, inbound, outbound tourism market, quantity data, all this will have the boys and girls enough knowledge so that they are part of the tourism industry. Niche tourism, as you told, like travel photography for tourist facilitator. Suppose somebody have the skill of photography, as we have seen, like a lot of overseas market, there are photography tour. The photographer teach the photography, as well as take him or her to the place, so that there is a photography package tour, you can say. And this other knowledge of other schemes of Government of India. So that's all in a brief.
Yeah.
Because we have to have other interaction also.
Yeah.
So now thing is, what call, as I told you, everything is there. And one more thing, Chetan, here, as we are thinking of having the domestic tourism on focus.
Yeah.
So maybe we will discuss a little bit how to go, because as I told and I shared some of my information with that authority, state association, that we will support the tour operator who are planning to promote some new destination or new itinerary in domestic market. We know Delhi, Agra, Jaipur, or Bangalore, Mysore, Hampi, but something new, like which is still unexplored, but there are facilities where tourists can be taken. So in these areas promotion, I can support you as well as individual travel agents in terms of fam trip. Like, suppose somebody wants to go to a place in Mizoram or go to a place in Andaman, and try to promote that area. So we can have the fam trip, as you know, the Government of India provides. A second thing, we can definitely support in terms of promoting the same in the website or in or social media, because to reach every corner of course, once the situation little bit improves, I think it definitely improves this December, November. I think you can have some movement. So this is from my side, and you just tell me if you have any plan from your association side or from individual tour operator. So हम लोग उसको jointly accept कर सकते हैं. And as I am telling you, not only me as a regional director north, all our regional director in west, south, east, and northeast, they're all are on board. So if any assistance or anything need in South or in Bombay or in Guwahati, our audience are there, and please let me know. I will just take it up, and there is no question. Thank you, and please come up and share something.
Sure. Thank you, Anilji. It was a very informative presentation. Thank you for your time and the presentation. Just to brief the members, I'm going to share a screen with all of you, which is a website of IITF. So guys, if you can see your screen, this is the website for IITF, and it has got all the details in here. So if you see the user manual or FAQ program about the IITF program, or if you click on IITF brochure, probably you will get this PDF open in it. I'm not able to get it here because just a moment. Yeah, that's a PDF. So it has got the entire procedure on.
You got it, yeah.
Yeah, the entire procedure on how to enroll yourself with IITF courses. What all in there? What is the benefit of it? How you can promote this course and educate yourself to enroll, and what is the benefit of doing this course? About the fee structure, everything is there in this PDF. So it is all there on the website IITF. This is the website iitf.gov.in. If you can see, guys, there at the top of it. So that is the website. So entire presentation is here, but Mr. Ora just gave to all the members. So this is the presentation, just in brief. This is the website, guys, for the main home page. It has got the user manual. If you have any questions, please take out some time, read the question answer FAQ column carefully. Probably you will get all the answers. But still, if you have any questions in mind, write to us. You can reach to Mr. Anil Ora. He sits in Parliament Street MOT office. You can send an email to us. We can forward to him as well. So as in when you are comfortable. So this way we can do it.
Anilji, I have a question. This, if you can really unmute yourself, this course is actually, does this course will be applicable for the MOT approval?
Actually, still that has not been considered, because the guideline says that not a diploma degree. So in terms of applying for recognition, so this is not.
No, it's a short course. Yes, of course. It's not like that. I don't say that ministry has less money. I mean, if you can really do it, more people will be joining as a professional in the tourism department, So it is, I think it is my request and suggestion that if we can be, at the time of certification, when you get the certification, just charge 500 or 1,000 rupees for the certification, that you can do it. But doing this course, I mean, why you are charging that? I mean, a lot of people, they are doing also, they can do from the IITM or from there where they can spend 2,000, 4,000, 5,000 rupees and they can get a certification. So that actually is my request, that and suggestion, that if you can really exempt for everybody, and at the time of certification, when you do it, to give the certification, when he completes the course, you charge 500, 1,000 rupees, whatever is the certification fees. That is exactly my another this thing. If you can really look into that.
खन्ना साहब, आपका ये क्वेश्चन इसका पहले भी काफी प्लेटफॉर्म में पूछा गया था, इवन इन फ्रंट ऑफ मंत्री आल्सो, आई थिंक. तो एक चीज क्या है ना, अगर somebody is not paying any, okay, I'm not telling 2,000, if it is somebody is paying 500 or 1,000, that his devotion is there, otherwise अगर फ्री है ना तो बंदा आप ज्वाइन करके काल भाग जाएगा, and one thing that हाँ, और हम लोग एक तो पैन इंडिया बेसिस में कर रहे हैं ना, तो मैनेजिंग द डाटा, and we are of course we are having NIC as well as Wipro is partner, I think, as well as BAT group. So managing data भी एक चक्कर है, मतलब इसीलिए गवर्नमेंट ने सोचा था, but again it will go in May sort of thing, क्योंकि आदमी आज करेंगे कल भूल जाएंगे, इसीलिए. और second thing, और एक चीज हमको क्वेश्चन किया था, somebody suppose like in real tribal districts, जो गवर्नमेंट इंडिया का है ट्राइबल डिस्ट्रिक्ट, वहाँ पे ट्राइबल बच्चे लोग 10 पास भी करते हैं, कभी कभी उन लोग हायर सेकेंडरी नहीं कर पाते हैं, तो उसको भी एक जिक्र आया था जैसे कि वैष्णवी ट्राइब हो गया या वहाँ पे बुंडा ट्राइब हो गया उड़ीसा में, तो उन लोग का हायर सेकेंडरी मिलना मुश्किल है, तो उसको भी गवर्नमेंट कंसिडर कर रहा है। ये टोटल ट्राइबल डिस्ट्रिक्ट जो होता है उसमें अगर 10 पास भी है, बिकॉज हमको ज्यादा हिस्ट्री नहीं जानना है, हमको जानना है वहाँ का लोकल कल्चर। सो द लोकल बॉय हु हैज गॉट 10 पास in a Onkudeli village or in Raigada village, he will be definitely more better a person in speaking the local scenario than a boy from Delhi or Kolkata. तो वो भी एक था क्वेश्चन। और तो ये दोनों है, ठीक है। हम तो आपका सर्टिफिकेशन के बारे में इसका पहले भी क्वेश्चन हुआ है, आई थिंक मिनिस्ट्री एट द मोमेंट कुछ नहीं बोल रहा है, बट आई थिंक लेटर ऑन इट विल definitely will have, because then the boys will also get a chance to work almost full time or at least 6 months in your agency or some other agency, so that they are facilitator as well as they're working in your office.
Yeah.
So you are having the 2 persons for one like 2 jobs by the 1 person. So that is good. I think I can definitely take up, and it was already there.
And secondly, abhi jo qualification hai to do this program, I think it should be 10th pass or 12th pass, something like that for a general member. I'm not talking about the tribal
12.
areas. 12 pass. It should be 12 pass. Okay.
12.
ठीक है. Okay. That's good.
All right.
I think Chetan, we have
question है ना, जैसे कि हाँ
Anil ji, if you're ready, can we take some questions now?
Okay. Question करो, बोलो।
Arun Kumar ji saying, what will be the status of existing regional level guides and the basic qualification of graduation once matriculation passes, facilitator comes? So after this program launch, उनके बाद क्या होगा regional guides का?
नहीं, रीजनल गाइड का अभी जो देखो, हम गवर्नमेंट का भी अभी बोल रहे हैं, देयर इज ए कोर्ट केस गोइंग ऑन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एंड आई एम कोट अनकोट, still there is no decision that what will happen, but there is like 2 separate things. We may be mixing it up, but it is 2 separate things. One is incredible tourist facilitator, one is guide. Now guides are there since 1955 or 1952, and this facilitator is yet to come in the field. So I don't think any what call डरने का कोई बात है गाइड लोग का, क्योंकि हम लोग का देश में जस्टिस है, कोई डाउट नहीं है, because we have given training, we as the Indian persons, I have conducted 5-6 guide training course, and the internship, 6 months, question answer, then padhai, and main thing was they are supposed to be degree holder, the graduate. Some people have, but at this moment I cannot talk totally on behalf of the government what government is thinking, but facilitator, of course, the reach and the outcome or return would be much larger than what we have at this moment.
No, of course, I also acknowledge this. If you've done a course with the MOT approval, this will have more weightage in the coming times. Sir, our Vice President, Mr. Arya, is appraising you without mustaches. He's been looking for you are looking for a long time, and वो कह रहे हैं कि आप अच्छे लग रहे हो without mustaches. अरुण जी, I don't think
ये जो लॉकडाउन ने बहुत कुछ सिखा दिया ना।
जी।
मैं भी तो सिखा दिया।
किसी की शेप बढ़ गई है,
खन्ना साहब का देखो, खन्ना साहब का देखो, खन्ना साहब लुक्स लाइक आइंस्टाइन, वो लगता है वो आधा सफेद आधा।
अब तो मैं रिसर्च कर रहा हूँ अपना on the pandemic and the what effect it exactly done. And very recently you will see that I'm just writing something about that, the effects of the pandemic and what challenges and opportunities are after the pandemic.
Great,
that exactly I'm also doing with few of the university also.
Great, sir. Great. Sir, I'm moving forward.
I just got एक क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है, just another thing, ये जो हम लोग को एसी पुश वगैरह हुआ है, now thing is suppose about 1 month back or later, suppose groups are coming, so what precaution, like you in a coach or in a hotel, what sort of things you are looking, because FHRI का जो है वो भी इतना बड़ा किया है ना, I think every hotel is difficult to have. So उस आइडिया में आप लोग कैसे प्रमोट करेंगे आप टूरिस्ट का?
कनल जी आंसर दे रहे हैं आप?
क्या सॉरी कैन यू रिपीट इट? मैं थोड़ा सा
ये जो आपको अगर 2 महीना का बाद ग्रुप आ रहा है, तो हाउ डू आर गोइंग टू कीप देम इन ए होटल और इन ए गेस्ट हाउस? व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ सर्टिफिकेट यू आर लुकिंग फ्रॉम द ओनर? व्हाट काइंड ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड? हाउ डू यू मेजर एनी, बिकॉज़ गवर्नमेंट में सिंगल एजेंसी तो है नहीं.
नहीं देखिए, इसमें क्या है कि आई हैड रेगुलर लॉट ऑफ इंटरेक्शंस विद द होटलियर्स, विद द मिनिस्ट्री, विद द सीआईआई, विद द फिक्की, एसोचएम, एवरीवेयर आई वाज देयर. And even the former secretary, new foundation tourism also, Mr. Juchi also, if you know that we have done a lot of seminars on that and the webinars also. So in this context, I'd like to tell you, the FHRI has launched one book which is the guide, guidelines of the hotels, different. So they have given a book, and they have been they have already launched this book where exactly all the guidelines are there. If we have a small group, if you have a big group, if you have a FIT, whatever it is. So they give you under these guidelines, they tell you that how these hotels are, which are the hotels which are safe, and what kinds of guidelines and the norms they are following it up. So once you enter the hotel, before entering the hotel, they give you the guidelines that you have to follow and what hotels are going to follow it up. So it's exactly everything, norms are there. And FHRI, we are thankful to FHRI. They have that they launched this book, giving all these instructions to the tour operator, to the transporters, even to the the drivers also, that how you have to take the tourists to the hotel, and where you have to drop it, and where you have to pick it up, and where exactly at the time of the the entrance in the hotel, what kind of the security people, what kind of guideline they people will be following, and what exactly at the time of reception you have to do that. Everything is there. So even the Ministry of Tourism has also giving a lot of the informations to all the tour operators,
Yes, sir.
along with the hoteliers. And I have done a lot
And
of webinars. We have done as a radio forum, we have done a lot of webinars with the hoteliers also. Almost all the hoteliers we have done that webinars, what kind of a guideline they fill up. So there is
also
no kind of such a
and also to update the members, once we get this information in return, we will share this with all the members. We will put it on the website and share the link with you, so that you will have a fair idea and a first hand knowledge कि कौन से होटल का क्या गाइडलाइंस हैं और कौन सा स्टेट क्या क्वारंटीन की क्या गाइडलाइंस है स्टेट्स की. इन अवर वेरी रिसेंट न्यूज़लेटर जो अभी लास्ट वीक हमने पब्लिश किया है, उसके अंदर हमने सारे गाइडलाइंस दिए हैं, स्टेट वाइज गाइडलाइंस. सो जिन लोग को नहीं मिला है, प्लीज जिन्होंने नहीं पढ़ा है, प्लीज गो थ्रू एंड रीड इट. यू विल गेट अ फेयर आइडिया कि किन स्टेट्स की क्या गाइडलाइंस है क्वारंटीन को लेकर. मूविंग फॉरवर्ड,
अभी एक और अनिल जी एक और चीज, हमने अभी सारे जितने भी होटल्स हैं ना, चेन्स हैं, जैसे आईटीसी हो गया, ताज हो गया, अपना लीला हो गया, लेमन ट्री हो गया, एक्वार ग्रुप हो गया, आपका जितने भी सारे होटल जितने भी चेन्स हैं, उनको सबको हमने लेटर लिखा है, आपके कौन कौन से होटल्स विच आर ओपन, in which states, which are the hotels are open, and what kind of these with the state क्या है कि हर स्टेट का अपना अपना एक अनिल जी, हर स्टेट का अपना पे एक द गाइडलाइंस है, जिसमें क्वारंटीन कितने टाइम का है, कितने दिन के लिए वहां पे क्वारंटीन होगा. हर उनके साथ हमने एक गाइडलाइन हर एक के साथ मांगी है कि स्टेट कितना क्वारंटाइन कर रहा है और आप कितना क्वारंटीन करोगे या नहीं करोगे, और आपकी क्या गाइडलाइंस है. हर सारे चेन से हमने ये सवाल पूछे हैं. आई थिंक वेरी सून वी आर गेटिंग दिस
वी कैन अपडेट ऑल द मेंबर्स ऑन दिस. अनिल
Yeah.
जी आगे चले, तो क्वेश्चन लेने आगे 2-3 क्वेश्चन और ले लें सर.
हाँ ले लिए क्वेश्चन.
Okay. सर इसमें एक हमारे पास है Arun Kumar ji is asking, can the facilitators work as tour operator? No, Arun ji, I don't think facilitator program is an entirely different program. Tour operator certificate and tour operators is a different program. I don't think facilitators can work as a tour operators. Ministry has a different guidelines for both of them. How much is the fees? Fees is 2,000 rupees, sir. Who is the person, anonymous attendee, whose fees is 2,000 rupees for this program at the moment. As President has requested Mr. Aura to consider the fees. If anything comes in future, we will update it. But at the moment, this is 2,000 rupees. 10 plus 12, no sir, it is 10 plus 2. He or she can make justice to his job. Anilji, a lot of people are asking this question.
10+2.
Yeah, will that person can do
What?
justice with the job just after 10+2?
I think yes. You know, suppose as I told you, the major. I don't want to somebody. If I want to know the architect of Taj Mahal, you know, or Humayun Tomb, or like Qutub Minar, then there are persons. There are RLG or there are expertise. There are people. But my question is from Delhi to 50 kilometers to Meerut or Modinagar. Suppose there is a temple that just like that Bar Ganga. Now I am to Bar Ganga and there is no RLG. So the boy in Bar Ganga 12 pass, he knows how do we where the washroom, where the clean washroom. So these things, the facilitator doesn't confining you to be a masters in your trade. It is the boy or girl who are suppose they may be having degree also, but we have not asking degree. Even after knowing degree or master degree, he has to do the expertise. The same way, suppose I'm going to trek in Lahul Spiti, so I need a local boy. He will definitely guide me through this, through this, through this, through this. So that's the objective. We are not going looking for a a MBA or a PhD holder to explain, but the local boy or girl who knows the area. Even they are not. Even you will sometimes you must be interacted with some of the tourists when you go to the remote area. They may not be 8 pass or 10 pass, but they know the area very well.
Yeah, true.
Even the trees, the plantation, the trees, trees. So that's the idea.
Yeah.
And if somebody wants to have expertise, RLG or expertise, people want to know the history of Ajanta Ellora or history of Buddhism, then they have to go to a certain place. Yes.
Yeah. Right, sir. So a lot of people have asked about the registration. It is, I think, on the website. You have to log in and then you can register yourself. All the details have been briefed by Mr. Anil Ora very, very briefly. I've got a lot of questions on hotels and when this COVID over, when the industry will open. I think this is not the session for this. We'll have a separate session on this topic later on. I'm taking a couple of questions. People have raised their hand. I'm taking, just a moment, sir. Our joint secretary, Mr. Anil Rajput, wants to ask a question, sir. I'm taking Anilji in. Anilji, if you can unmute yourself and speak, sir.
Anil versus Anil.
Yeah. Good morning, Anilji. How are you? Hello.
Good morning, good afternoon, Dada.
Good afternoon. My question has already been asked by Mr. P.P. Khanna. I've asked about if this qualification will be treated as a qualification for MOT approval. So that answer already I have received. Thank you.
Thank you, Anilji. Thank you so much. I'm taking Abhiraj Subhaji. Abhiraj, if you can unmute yourself and speak, sir.
Please unmute. Yeah.
Yeah, hello. Good afternoon, sir. सर मैं दार्जिलिंग से बात कर रहा हूँ. So I have a question कि दार्जिलिंग में काफी ऐसे जो टूरिज्म प्रोग्राम के जो आपने अभी दिखाया है वो आता नहीं है सर एक्चुअली में. ओके. और दार्जिलिंग के लोग काफी इस जो आप जो प्रेजेंटेशन दे थे उससे काफी दूर है, वो इंफॉर्मेशन से काफी दूर है. ओके. एंड वी आर डूइंग अ वेरी गुड जॉब कि हम लोग बच्चे लोग को काम दे रहे हैं, मतलब ओके लाइक टूरिज्म में जैसे आपने बताया था कि लोकल इज वोकल. ओके. सो हमारे दार्जिलिंग में वैसे लोग काफी जो 8 पास 9 पास 10 पास है. सो तो लेके हम लोग भी उन लोग को एक मतलब होता है ना सर, एक मतलब सेल्फ डिपेंडेंट ऐसे कर रहे हैं सर उन लोग को कि जिसके पास जो टैलेंट है उसी हिसाब से उन लोग को काम दिया जा रहा है. ओके. तो अभी तो साथ किसी का नहीं है सर, ना तो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का ना तो किसी का नहीं है. सो बट अच्छा लगा कि आपने ये सब बोला है. तो आई हैव वन क्वेश्चन सर कि कितने लोग हैं मेरे पास जो 9 पास 10 पास है, तो वो तो इस स्कीम में नहीं जा सकते. सो 12 पास में हमारे यहाँ पर जो ट्रैवल लेते हैं, ट्रैवल जो यहाँ की जो ट्रैवल है सुब्बा बोटियार तामंग ये सब भी वहाँ पर अगर फ्री हो सकता है, वो भी फ्री है क्या हमारे लिए भी?
1 second. I think can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes sir. Yes sir. I can hear you.
ये अमर जी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपको।
अविराज,
आपका
अविराज।
आपका अविराज, अविराज,
Yes,
यू
sir.
आर फ्रॉम अमर टूर्स एंड ट्रैवल।
Yeah, from Darjeeling.
मैं आपको, मैं यहाँ दार्जिलिंग, मैं आई एम फ्रॉम दिनाजपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट ओनली, इन योर नेबरिंग डिस्ट्रिक्ट।
Okay,
So
yeah.
very good to know. I will send you the mail just after the meeting, and I will send you the contact of Mr. Sagnik Chaudhary
Yeah.
in our Calcutta office,
Yeah,
and
that's
I
right.
will ask him to contact you and facilitate. And as you told, Bhutia and Lama and all, Guru.
गुरुंग नहीं है सर, सुब्बा है सिर्फ। या गुरुंग तामंग लेप्चा भोटिया।
बट सर अनिल जी की आवाज चली गई है। बट वही है सर, जैसे अनिल जी ने बताया अभिराज जी कि ही विल
जी।
कनेक्ट यू विद द वेस्ट बंगाल आरडी। वो आपको कनेक्ट कर लेंगे सर नेक्स्ट उसमें। तो आई एम टेकिंग द नेक्स्ट वन सर, राइट?
थैंक यू वेरी मच सर।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच। आई एम टेकिंग लेट्स गो माई नेक्स्ट। प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ सर एंड स्पीक।
Hi, I'm Pratul. My question.
यस सर।
Yes, Pratul ji. हाँ जी।
अनिल जी
Yeah, hi, I'm Pratul. My question is with Anil ji is I've just gone through the list of aspiring district of all countries, in particularly Madhya Pradesh, and he is talking about the tribal tourism as well. The two most important district like Ali Rajpur and Jhabua are missing in the list of Madhya Pradesh prescribed by Niti Aayog. So as per the booklet, these two important districts are missing in Madhya Pradesh.
point noted, sir. I think Anil ji has lost his connection, but we have noted the question. We will send this question to Mr. Anil Ora to answer it. More
I
or less,
think Chetan, Pratul ji, अगर आप एक हमारे को mail भेज दो, if you
that
can
is
really
great,
send us a mail to the secretariat, we can forward to the Ministry of Tourism so that they
Yes.
can include that also,
Yes,
and we'll
thank you.
forward
Thank you.
to them.
We will send it to.
right?
Yeah, correct.
Thank you. Sir. Thank
Please.
you.
Sorry, friends. I think Mr. Ora has lost the connection and probably not visible at the moment. But more or less, yes, he has briefed us about the course, the content in it. But again, I would request all of you to please visit the website. It has got all the information in there. So feel free to send us a question if you have anything in mind. We can forward the same to Mr. Anil Ora to answer it. And thank you so much for your time today. Khanna ji, कुछ कहना चाहते हैं सर आप? We'll end the session, sir.
नहीं, मैं बस यही कहने वो he is asking that is the time is over. No, अनिल जी, time कोई over नहीं है, हमारे unlimited उसमें है. लेकिन yes, of course, I am thankful to Anil ji for all this presentation, and I think a lot of our members, they have gained the knowledge about that, you know, the IITF tourist facilitator program. और आप इसको मेरे ख्याल से आप अपने लिए भी और अपने जितने भी आपके यहाँ पे आपके कोलीग्स हैं उनको भी आप ये फॉरवर्ड कर सकते हैं, उनको दे सकते हैं. फीस बहुत ज्यादा बड़ी नहीं है, हालांकि मैंने तो रिक्वेस्ट की है कि फीस भी माफ होनी चाहिए, बट आई थिंक ऑन दैट एक सीरियसनेस नहीं आती. मुझे भी मालूम है इस बात का, लेकिन मैं फिर भी अपने मेंबर्स के लिए कुछ ना कुछ सोच रहा था कि वी शुड आल्सो एज ए एडिटोरियल, वी शुड आल्सो एज ए फ्रॉम द मैनेजिंग कमेटी साइड दैट अगर फीस अगर हमारी अगर इस तरह से हो सकती है. But yes, of course, 2,000 rupees, if you can really do that course, it will be really benefited for all of you. And it's a basically knowledge program. जो आपको एक इंडिया के बारे में, एक डिफरेंट स्टेट्स के बारे में, उन जगहों के बारे में पता लगता है जो हमारे को अब आज तक नहीं पता है. तो हम भी वहाँ के उनके चाहे वो कोई भी वहाँ के गाइड्स हैं उनके साथ काम कर सकते हैं, हमें पता लग सकता है. और हम अपने आने वाले टाइम में जो एवरीबडी इज नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द डोमेस्टिक टूरिज्म, you know, domestic tourism को कैसे हमने बढ़ाना है, this is only the way that exactly if we know about the, you know, the knowledge about the particular states and the, you know, the destinations, definitely we can promote it. And I really appreciate for all those who have joined it, and say thanks to all of you for joining it and benefit from this program.
Well, thank you friends, and we will put this recording of this today's webinar on our YouTube channel. We will share the link with all the participants who have participated today. So feel free to look into it again and visit the website. Thank you, friends. Thanks for your time today, and hope to see you soon again with a great session again. Thank you so much.